I think it's a great opportunity to meet with the professionals from the region. I have met with some great directors and producers that we are like willing to cooperate in our projects. This was nice, and I also learned a lot of things about the industry in Montenegro and also their teams, the projects, and we saw some really good work in progress documentaries that we learned a lot. So it was very fruitful experience for me. I just met with Alexandra Bozovic in Istanbul, and she told me that this is an industry which will grow, and that's why I was interested. And yes, I am amazed by the diversities of the projects and excitement of the people. The professionals, and also they are good and they are excited and they already did a lot. They are working on co-productions, etc. And also, I think it is very nice to see that all of the projects in here are already co-productions, like with Serbia, Croatia, Kosovo, etc. And which is, I found really nice that, this cooperation in the region. I think it is very nice and inspiring. Yes, I traveled to Utsin 2 days ago for one of my documentary projects. And I had the chance to see all of the coastline, which I found, amazing. Like the green and the old towns, Utsin here, I found it really amazing and very special and very authentic in a way. And the mountains are also so very beautiful. And besides than that, our series are really popular, but I actually didn't know that. We know that they are quite popular around the world, but when we are talking with locals, etc., they all telling me about the series that they all follow. So it was also nice.